morning, student. In previous class, we discussed about the SN2 mechanism of haloalkane, and today we discuss about the SN1 mechanism of haloalkane. We know that if the rate of reaction, if the rate of reaction is directly proportional to only one reactant, that is Rx. If the rate of reaction is directly proportional to only alkyl halide, then the mechanism is called as SN1 type, and the order of reaction is equal to 1. Here we have example. Suppose we have tertiary butyl halide. Tertiary butyl halide. It react with tertiary butyl halide. It react with hydroxide and OH minus ion and form the tertiary alcohol and form the tertiary alcohol. This reaction is followed by SN1 mechanism. Means tertiary halide when react with hydroxide and it form tertiary alcohol, and the mechanism of this reaction takes place by the SN1 mechanism. This is the tertiary halide CH3 and Br. This is tertiary butyl bromide. It react with hydroxide and OH minus and form CH3 and OH, and here removal of bromide ion takes place. And when we discuss the mechanism of this reaction mechanism is followed the SN1 type. Mechanism is given by two step. Step first, mechanism of this reaction is given by two step. In first step, tertiary halide means CH3 whole thrice C into Br is remove the bromide ion and form the CH3 whole thrice into C, or it is also written as CH3 and positive. This is the tertiary carbocation. Any cation or any positive charge ion in which positive charge is contained on the carbon atom is called the carbocation, and this is the intermediate of this reaction. Here we compare this reaction with SN2 mechanism. In SN2 mechanism, we tell you that if we have methyl bromide, it react with nucleophile, and here nucleophile react in SN2. In SN2, nucleophile attack first on the alkyl halide, and form a C H Br and Nu. This is pentavalent state of carbon. Means this compound pentavalent carbon is the intermediate of SN2 mechanism. This topic can be discussed in previous class. And here we seen that in SN1 mechanism, intermediate is a carbocation. This is the difference of SN1 and SN2. In SN2, intermediate compound is the pentavalent state of carbon atom. Pentavalent state of carbon atom. And in SN1 mechanism, intermediate state of the reaction is carbocation. And the second point, and now first we discuss about the structure of carbocation. Structure of carbocation. Structure of carbocation. We know that carbocation have carbon atom and three sigma bond. Three sigma bond. In between the bond, here the bond angle is 120 degree, like this. CH3, CH3 and CH3. This is CH3, CH3 and CH3. Means in carbocation, structure of carbocation, three sigma bond are situated at 120 degree, and another unhybrid p orbital which contain positive charge is situated just perpendicular of the carbon atom. Means carbocation have a similar, a very simple structure. This is the carbon and this is the three sigma bond which are situated with 120 degree and a perpendicular p orbital. Perpendicular means just form the 90 degree to the plane of the bolt, like this. So we present in this type a p orbital, unhybrid p orbital is found just perpendicular to the plane of the carbon atom. So here we seen that structure of carbocation, and the second step is confirmed by this structure. In second step, carbocation, in second step of the mechanism, nucleophile attack on carbon atom from both side, and in SN2 we tell you that back side attack of nucleophile, but in SN1 mechanism both side attack of nucleophile takes place because carbon atom have a unhybrid p orbital just perpendicular to the plane of the board. So here nucleophile is attacked on both sides and form the product which is present by NU C CH3 and NU C CH3. Means here the possibility of product formation is 50% are similar and 50% is inverse. Means 50% of the product is found in similar way like halide, and 50% product are inverse like SN2. We know that about SN2 the product can be inverse, means rotation of product is seen, which is called Walden inversion. And here 50% product are inverse and 50% product are formed as a similar of helical halide. So this is the basic difference of SN1 and SN2. First is the here intermediate carbocation and here intermediate pentavalent carbon state. And in SN1 both side attack of nucleophile takes place, and in SN2 back side attack of nucleophile takes place. And now the question, why the bromide ion or any halide ion remove the carbon atom by self? Why the bromide ion remove carbon atom by self? Where in SN2 we know that if when nucleophile attack to carbon, then bromide is released. But in SN1 bromide or any halide ion is removed by self. This topic can be discussed by following page. First, we discuss the stability of stability of stability of stability of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Here we discuss. We take the example. This is the CH3 and X methyl halide. This is the CH3 CH2X primary halide, and this is the CH3 CH X and CH3 secondary halide, and this is the CH3 CX CH3 and CH3. This is tertiary halide. This is methyl halide. Methyl halide. This is the primary halide, and this is the secondary halide, and this is the tertiary halide. The reactivity of these halides due to cleavage of CX bond can be discussed on the basis of electron donating capacity of methyl group or alkyl group. We know that alkyl group is a electron donating species. Electron donating species means it support the electron from to that carbon atom from which it is bonded. Here we seen that we discuss in primary and tertiary halide. This is the primary carbon, and this carbon atom is directly added with one methyl group, and methyl group support the electron, donate the electron, and cause the positive inductive effect to that carbon. This methyl group is donate the electron to this carbon atom and cause the positive inductive effect to this carbon atom, means primary carbon atom. And in similar, here two methyl group are added. So the supporting of electron by the methyl group is more higher in secondary halide. Means here this carbon have more electron density than primary carbon. And in tertiary halide, there are 1, 2, and 3 methyl groups are bonded. 3 methyl groups are bonded with this carbon. So here this carbon is most electron rich center in compared to all of these examples. Means methyl halide is very less electron, and primary halide more than methyl halide, and here is similar. The tertiary halide is most electron rich center in these of example. So higher the electron density of the carbon atom of halogen, higher the electron density of carbon of halogen atom, higher the repulsion between the carbon and halogen. Means if these carbon have more electron, then it repel the halogen more strongly. So we can see this by the here the repulsion between the carbon and halogen is very low, and here repulsion of carbon and halogen is strong than primary, and in tertiary halide it is most stronger, the repulsion between halogen and carbon. So higher the repulsion, and here very low, here the very low, and higher the repulsion between carbon and halogen atom, weaker the bond of carbon and halogen. Means कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन यानी कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच रिपल्सन जितना ज्यादा होगा, बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथ उतना ही वीक होगा. मींस हायर द repulsion between carbon and halogen, weaker the bond. So tertiary halide is the weak bond, and it is the strong bond, and this is very strong bond. So the stronger bonds are break by attack of nucleophile. Means the strong if the bond is stronger, then this bond can be break by attack of nucleophile. And we know that in SN2 mechanism, nucleophile is attacked first. In SN2 mechanism, nucleophile is firstly attacked. Nucleophile is firstly attacked, and in SN1 mechanism, nucleophile attack at last position. In SN2, nucleophile first attack. In SN1, nucleophile attack at last position. So we can see that methyl mechanism of methyl halide takes place by SN2, and this takes place by SN1. So this is the order of decreasing of SN2 mechanism is methyl, then primary halide, then secondary halide, and then tertiary halide. This is the decreasing order of possibility of SN2. Means SN2 mechanism is mainly found in methyl halide, and the possibility of SN2 is decreases to primary, secondary, and tertiary. While the increasing order of SN1 means tertiary halide is takes the nucleophilic reaction by SN1 mechanism. Thank you.